Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Wednesday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it. It is hump day. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. See what other goodies they have to offer besides this one. So we're about to see what's inside and see how it works. There we go. Nice and easy. NULED. New LED kind of spells like. So we'll check these guys out. Oh boy. Here we go. Put you guys down a little. Boom. NULED flame atmosphere speaker, 1 pair. Whoa. That is something different I've never seen before. Flame effect, built-in battery, soft light, eye protection. Got the Bluetooth music, so you could probably do the Amazon Music or whatever else, Apple Music, whatever you guys listen to, YouTube and everything else, Spotify. Oh, this looks really cool. All right, let's see what it looks like now. I'm gonna have to grab my tablet and show you guys how to hook it up to the Bluetooth, and then I'm gonna probably find a spot tonight or today in this video, show you guys how it's hanging outside. So if you guys have a lot of people over in the summertime or even in the wintertime, this will be perfect for the outdoors in your backyard. We got the brackets, got the charge, got the manual, another manual. So really cool, something new, and here we go. Oh, these are nice looking. Look at these guys. A nice gloss. Wow. So that's where the charging goes to charge it up. Got the speaker control. Whoa. Oh, that's cool. Oh, wow. Let me shut this light off. Look at that. That is sweet. Nice soft response. So that must be what the volume was. One. Oh, that's pretty sweet looking. That was easy. Alright, let me clean up a little of this mess. Grab the second one. So that's flashing for Bluetooth. So it's gonna pick it up and then we'll test it out. See how it sounds. Here's the other one. Ooh la la. Oh. Right, there you go. There we go. Aha. Okay. Oh, shut off. So you gotta hold it a few seconds. You hear a beep like it did. That means it is running. I'm just gonna have to go upstairs and grab my tablet and then show you how easy it is. Hook that up. That is really cool though. I'm really impressed. So NULED, I'll be right back. Alrighty, just pull up your Bluetooth menu, like so. No, that ain't it. I don't think it's magic. More settings. I'm gonna pull it up really quick. Gotta delete this one. No. Hold on one sec. Alrighty, here it is. Pulling it up as NULED. Should pair it perfectly. Okay, that one worked. Okay, that's connected. Let's see if that works. Alright, let's try this. Give it one more go. Alright, hold on one sec. Alright, let's see if this works. Gotta remember where my volume is on this thing. Ooh. Guys, this one's going. I gotta see. Oops. Okay, that sounded alright. Now I just gotta look for my other one. So we got that working. Gotta see. Gotta pick it up. Or do I gotta connect? Hold on. Alright, sorry about that. We're gonna do the phone weight, the Note 9. And should be popping up in a second. Just gotta search them again. Okay. But they sounded really good. But I think it was just my Bluetooth on that come on. Here we go. Alright. So connect. Okay, this one's plugged in. Got that going. For audio. Now. I got one of them connected on that magic. See which one it is. Alright, here we go. Got them both running. Oh yeah. Really cool. Now I'll show you guys how to install the brackets in a second. Just enjoy this music for a second. Bass to it. There's There's a hole for the brackets. So you can have them like this. They won't catch fire, waterproof. Feels like I'm in the rain again. Really cool though. Easy to hook up. And they're not heavy at all. They're really light. Alrighty, YouTubers, that was fun. We had to figure it out how to set up the Bluetooth mode, which is really cool. Sounds really good. Waterproof. Everything is fully loaded with these guys. Bass sounds clear. Now here's the tricky part to install these. Should be easy. Oopsie. Don't worry about that. Just gotta put it in there. There we go. I was messing around with it. I was seeing where to install these brackets. So, just gotta go like this. See at the bottom, there's a little hole. Gotta go kind of like that, and just twisting in. Hold on. Kind of hard to see over the phone. There we go. See, like that. And this is how you're going to have it mounted against the wall or whatever your backyard, deck, patio, your condo. You can have these installed on them. They won't cause that much damage at all. And adjustable, fully adjustable. It's got to tweak it a little bit just to find your right angle. And like I said, USB right there. You can charge it, but it should be good for now. Right there, you can take one of those solar portable chargers and use that also. So you can adjust like that, maybe even standing up. It's up to you guys how you want to have these displayed. Right now it's freezing out, so I'm not going to do the install, but you guys catch my drift how these are set up. But really cool, because it is wintertime now in Michigan. But I showed you guys how to set up Bluetooth and NULED. Thank you guys for sending me this. And like I said, YouTubers, add it to your wish list. Santa Claus is coming. Be a nice little thing to add to your backyard entertainment. Nice conversation piece, you know. Say you found it on Amazon. There you go. But all I gotta do is have some fun. But especially at the beach houses and stuff, this would be perfect for. Yeah, I wish I could go on the beach. It's too cold though. But kind of like that. And like I said, you can mount them on the wall pretty much using the brackets and the screws. So I give you enough screws, and it's only 3 little slots, so 6 total. And I got the other bag right here. So really cool though. Happy YouTubers. See you guys in a few. Alrighty, YouTubers, we are outside. Here it is, got that hanging right there. So really cool. Yeah, it's cold out, but decided to do it anyway. Like I said, all you gotta do is boom and boom. Here is the other one. Wrap it around here. Right there. Really cool. So check them out. NULED LED on Amazon. Link will be down below. You guys be safe. Have a good weekend. See you guys soon.